It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 8th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Much of the nation going in the deep freeze next week, but here in the Southwest, we're continuing with dry weather and temperatures above average through the weekend. A gradual cooling trend starts to take place for next week, but overall temperatures will remain pretty close to seasonal averages. Do we have any hope of rain anytime soon? We'll talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 87 degrees, the high in the valley, 62 the morning low. You see the normal high finally under the 80-degree mark. Won't go back above that until sometime in March. Outside now, here at 8:20 a.m., partly cloudy skies in the valley. We start out at 70 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 43, humidity 38%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning range from 49 at Fort McDowell all the way up to about 70 in the warm spots. The upper air look reveals a trough in the east, a ridge out here along the west coast, and that's going to keep us dry and mild for a while. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Some freeze warnings for a good portion of the deep south extending from Louisiana eastward through Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas. Convective outlook for today, much of the nation in stable air, so no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous U.S. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide. The Southwest will remain dry for quite some time, and we'll talk about that in more detail now as we explore the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And it's a trough in the east, a ridge in the west, and an upper low pinned underneath that off of the Southern California and Northern Baja coast. So, down at the surface, mostly sunny skies. There might be a few high clouds around today, but high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. That's around 7 to 10 degrees above average. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the mid 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, high temperatures in the mid 80s. And then mostly sunny on Sunday, high temperatures mid 80s. Pretty much the same deal on Monday, low to mid 80s for the high. But check out that 1039 surface high moving down across South Dakota. That cold air is filtering across the plains. It'll move into the deep south and much of the east. They'll have temperatures way below average, whereas we have temperatures getting closer to average by Tuesday. High temperatures around 80. The sky mostly sunny. Partly cloudy on Wednesday. We still have an upper low off the southwest coast, and that'll inject periods of high clouds in here, but no precipitation expected at this point. And mid to upper 70s on Thursday with mostly cloudy skies. Again, mid and high level clouds. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 15th. And we still have the same old pattern, that upper low off of the southwestern United States. Some high clouds, but overall temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Sunday the 17th. If this verifies the old Rex block is in place, we've got a ridge along the west coast and across the west, and an upper low pinned underneath it. But we would be dry in this particular scenario, although we've seen other looks out here that have that upper low a little bit closer and maybe bringing some moisture in. We'll just have to see how it plays out. Checking out the temperatures through the period coming off of the European ensemble, highs above average for the next couple of days, few days, and then we see temperatures trending down as we go deeper into November and approaching Thanksgiving week. Hard to believe that's a little less than 3 weeks away. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Friday and a fantastic weekend.